All right, welcome. Let's see if we can be able to provide answer to this within a short possible time based on the concept we've learned under cosine rule. So we can see triangle ABC, the side facing the angle 48 is not given. The side facing C is given, but the angle is not given. The side facing B is given without the angle. So you have to find the length of A. Based on sine and cosine rule, you will not know whether to use the sine or the cosine rule. We are saying that when you want to use cosine rule, look at it. You can see the angle is given, the side is missing. So that's one criteria. The other criteria is that as this is given, there should be an angle here corresponding to 7 before you can use sine rule. Or there should be an angle here corresponding to 4 before we can use the sine rule. So we cannot use sine rule here. The topic is cosine. The question is under this. So looking at this tells you are using cosine. But when the question is set, you will not be able to tell whether it is sine or cosine rule. You only have to text the question. So in this case, I am not going to use the sine rule. I can't use the Pythagoras theorems. So I'll resort to the use of what? The cosine rule. So let's go. So we can say using cosine rule, we can quote the rule to have a squared equals to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc, then the cos of the angle A. The A in there is facing, the capital A is the angle at the vertex, the small a is the side facing that angle. So we can see, we can label here to be B and C to take care of the substitution. So a squared, we don't know the a, so we maintain it. B squared is 7, C squared is 4, minus 2B is 7, C is what? 4. Then cos, what is the cos? 48. Okay. So now let's proceed to have our a squared equals to 49 plus 16 minus, here is going to be, this plus this will be 8. 8 times 7 will be 56, right? So 56 sine 48 degree. What do we do? Okay, so let's compute this to have our a squared equals to 65 minus 56 sine 48 degree. So a squared will be equals to, let's take that on a calculator, pick all 65 minus 56 cos. So the cos is what we have, so it will be cos 45, 48, right? I'm always writing sine when I want to write cos. So that is going to be cos 48, and that will give us, all subtraction will give us 27.5287. Then your A will be equals to the root of that figure, 27.5287. That will give us 5.2468. So our A will be equals to 5.2, what is the dimension? Centimeter to 1 decimal places. So now this is the value of the side A. If it is to a whole number, it will be 547. Then the angle is there. So I believe the main concern is how to know which of the ratios to use. Sine rule, cosine rule, or the trig ratio. We know trig ratios are used basically for right angle triangle. So it is out of this. Then you text for sine rule, text for cosine rule, you get to know which one to use. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.